YouTube, it's your girl Lashay Vibes coming to you with the August 2021 curl box. If you're a returning subscriber to the channel, welcome back and thanks so much for your support. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe and leave a comment below. But if this is the first time you've come across my channel, I'm going to be reviewing the products for the curl box August 2021. Not familiar with Curlbox is, what Curlbox is. Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. It's $5 shipping. I'm in the state of Georgia, so I do pay a little bit of tax on that. And you are billed on a recurring basis. Now, if you do not want a monthly commitment, Box offers what they call their non-subscription boxes. So you can go online. I'll leave a direct link below in the description box. You can go online and just basically check out what they have and purchase at your own will without no monthly commitment. Every month you receive a pink and black box, and every month it comes with a theme. Every curl box has a theme, and this is called the Switch Up curl box. And we received the ORS, the ORS olive oil line. Now this box, when I seen it, it was a little bit confusing because when I get my curl boxes, I like to review the actual product on the natural hair, and these products in here were pretty much geared toward wigs and also weave. And I do, you know, wear both. I do lace front. I have lace front wigs and other synthetic wigs. So these products were basically geared towards wigs and weaves. So there's only one product I was able to actually review out of this box, and I'm going to share that with you. They did something different this month where they offered you your 6th product, to where you had to get an email. So the 6th product for your August subscription box will come in the form of an email coupon, one free product, up to $10 value and free shipping. But there's a catch. Orders of $20 or more valid or valid on orshair.com. So you have to spend at least $20 and you save $10. So it's basically like a coupon for 50% off, and you get free shipping. As terms and condition, emails containing the details will be sent on August the 22nd. I did receive my email for this, so not sure. I'm going to go online and check out and see what they have. I do like some of the ORS products that I've used previously in previous videos, so who knows, I'll definitely check that out. And we received this cue card, and this basically shows you all the items that we received for the August 2021 curl box and what they were for. And they also have a giveaway that they're going to be doing on here where you can win a lace front wig. So I will probably definitely be entering that as well. Unfortunately, there was only one product that I was able to use on the natural hair. So first I'm going to go over a lot of these items will be, I do have a really cool Poshmark. So if you love hair care products, wigs, weave, I do have a few outfits on there as well. Be sure to check the link. I'm going to post 3. We received a total of 5 items in this box. I'm going to post 3 of those at Poshmark for a very, very low price. First one I'm going to post is the ORS Olive Oil Ultra HD Gel Sleek Smoothing with infused castor oil for strengthening. Moisture Lock High Definition Styles for natural and relaxed hair. This is huge. This is a 20 ounce. It has the top, and let me read you some of the other attributes of this. This moisture locking wet gel formulated to deliver an extra firm hold to transform dull hair into sculpture styles while providing high definition shine, and strengthens with olive oil, castor oil, and keratin complex. So I'm going to put this on Poshmark. We also received, and I already have this one, the ORS Olive Oil Edge Control Hair Gel with Sweet Almond Oil. And I like that it has the seal on the side. I love that it has a seal. But some of the attributes of this is it's a moisturizing edge control styling gel formulated to deliver extra hold while strengthening and protecting hairline with olive oil, sweet almond, and wheat protein. So this will go to Poshmark. I'm doing in a bundle. And also this one, this is a Fix It Liquid Fix Spritz Gel. It has a little pump nasal on it. I won't be, you know, opening these products. This aids in resettling or repositioning lace fronts, wigs, and weaves. Nourishing multi-use spritz styler gel formulated to be gentle on edges and help promote a healthy scalp while delivering superior hold to achieve multiple hairstyles. The styler does it all. Non-adhesive lace front enclosure application. Freeze sets final styles. Defines hair parting on lace fronts and lace closures. Long-lasting hold of sculptured styles and ponytails. Okay, so these three here will be added to the Poshmark for the low. So if you're interested in trying these out, direct links to my Poshmark will be below. I also have a lot of different bundles and also additional hair care products if you want to check that out. Also received, and I'll be keeping this one because I'm going to try this one myself. This is the Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. And this is an express lace frontal application for daily wear wig grip spray. Step 1, cleanse the hairline of makeup and hair products, ideally with an isopropyl alcohol wipe to ensure a secure hold. Spray a thin layer of a wig grip spray in front of the hairline. Spray will become tacky in 30 seconds. No blow drying necessary. Once tacky, spray another thin layer and allow spray to dry and become tacky. Place lace over the tacky spray using a rat tail comb or flat tool. Press lace into the tacky spray. Do not use your fingers. Tie hair down and allow up to 10 minutes to completely dry. I can't wait to try this. This kind of reminds me of like the bold holder, something that you would use to lay your lace front. So I'm going to give that a try. Okay, now the only product that I was able to use in the box was the ORS Olive Wave and Curl Refining Cream Styler. Castor oil for strengthening and moisturizing. Concentrate formula for revitalize, defines, and add luster to wavy and curly wigs, weaves, and natural hairstyles. So this is unfortunately the only product I was able to use, and these are the results of using this product. I'm going to tell you what I did to achieve this particular look. What I did was I used my ORS Hair Repair Scalp Restoring Detox Shampoo, sulfate free. I do have a product review on this product line. I'll leave that direct link to that video if you want to check that out to see what my final thoughts were with that. So I shampooed with this, and then I followed up with the Talia Wajee Apple and Aloe Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. Again, I have a product review on this product as well. You can check that out to see what I thought about this product line. And then I followed up. I wanted to do some type of leave-in conditioner or some type of conditioner underneath the styler because I wasn't sure how moisturizing this was. So I did also use the ORS. It's in the same family as the hair repair, the coconut oil and baboa serum. I love this. I love the multi serum. I used a generous amount of this. I took the hair this time. Usually I'll just do standard roller set, but this time what I decided to do, I did chunky twist, and then I put the little rods on the end, and this is the results. And I use the styler. And now that my hair is completely washed, conditioned, and I use the serum, I will share in another part of this video what I use. But I'll be using from the Curl Box the ORS Olive Oil Cream Stylers for wave and curl revising, infused with castor oil for strengthening and moisturizing. Concentrated formula to revitalize, define, and add luster to wavy and curly wigs, weaves, and natural hairstyles. This is basically the only product that I'm able to use in Curl Box. This August 2021 Curl Box, but it comes with the nasal on it, and it's a pretty small tube, but I'm going to use a generous amount. It's 5 fluid ounces. It's pretty small for my hair because I really like to use a lot of product just to make sure I'm getting the moisture. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's kind of the kind of thick consistency. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a chunky twist out. Let's see, I'm going to do a chunky twist out. I'm going to twist the hair and put my rod sets at the end. I'm just going to do a chunky twist out, and hopefully this is moisturizing enough to moisturize the hair. Add a rod at the end. And voila. It looks like a cream base. It was saying, I think, use a dime size, but I used a lot. It looks like that. Really, really nice smell. It has a really pretty soft smell. Kind of sweet. You can smell the almonds. I think there's almonds, sweet almonds or something. It smells really good, but it's really thin. So I used a generous, like I used a hunk of this on each section that I parted. Let me read some of the attributes of this product. This is Slay the Body Wave Cream Styler. On damp hair in sections, use 2 pea size. I use way more than a pea size amount of the product and evenly distribute the product throughout each section using fingers, a wide tooth comb, or a paddle brush. The cream styler is a concentrated formula. Start with a pea size amount and apply more as needed. I did use it on wet hair. What I can say, these are the results. My hair isn't really moisturized as I would have liked it, but what I noticed, I brought a picture so you can see it. I don't know if you can see, but when I pick the hair or touch the hair, there is so much like residue. Like there's like a, you see that in the air? Like it's like a flake. It doesn't show on the hair, but when I pick it or do something through the hair, it gets like a residue. So I don't know what that's about, but I don't like it. Or this can either make your clothes flaky, or you know, just get on your eyelashes, or just get all over you. So I didn't like that. But overall, would I try this one again? Probably not. Or try it with probably a thicker conditioner, because it is light in texture. And it says it's a new look, so I guess it's already a product that's being sold, but this is the new packaging. So if you received Curl Box and received the August 2021 box, tell me your thoughts below. What were your thoughts? When I seen the box, I was kind of like, I was a little confused, because I really love to use the box for the natural hair, but I guess it's kind of cool. I guess it's cool to mix it up every now and again. But as always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Poshmark closet, and I'll see you in my next video.